The Gnoll Country Park has always been a special place for our community, and now, thanks to a major transformation, it's about to get even better. I'm here in this brand new visitor centre, a modern, accessible space that will contain a cafe, multi-purpose events room and a soft play area for children. And wait until you see the amazing views from the balcony. We've also just opened the new Gnoll Towers Adventure Playground. It's designed for children aged 4 to 14, with 3 climbing towers that are nearly 30 feet high.
Another highlight is Pond Cottage, a restored Victorian building that will soon offer holiday accommodation. It sleeps up to 6 people and offers incredible views of the pond and surrounding wildlife. We've also carried out restoration work across the park, from repairing the historic Gnoll House ruins to bringing the cascades back to life. These improvements honour the park's heritage while making it even more enjoyable for future generations. And along with the new signage and extended walking routes, there'll be even more for you to discover.
So there we have it. That's your first glimpse at this new look Gnoll Country Park. We can't wait to welcome you all to this fantastic location here in Newydd.